till you're drunk and I'll show you all the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger.
Nahibi ako. Ulit mo na. Hindi ako nakatarama. Yabang ko magtarama.
Merwin, I most myself, pag magkaiba kita, we give different light na day ko expect na kaipuan ko. After kang gabos na ups and downs, after kang pagiging ko to be your girlfriend 5 years ago,
Naruduman ko pa kang inot. Kita nagkamid-midan. Sarong nininang Lorna. Ito nag-birthday ako kay ito. Birthday ka man.
So that one day, and that is today, so that Merwin and Karen Faye, now that you are being prepared by your parents, you are now ready to make the vow for each other. Hindi na ang mga parents kayo na mismo. No, yung love nila, love ni God, love for one another, yan ang dala sa inyo dito. At yan yung inyong susumpaan ngayon.
now finally saying I do to become your wife. Thank you for keeping your promise to be my first and last boyfriend. Ganun.
It only means that we can truly see the glory of God, especially in married life.
I can see through the windows. I can hear through the walls. But I can't live in the middle.
Marisa na ta, nakikaon ako tanabi sa taka. Kung kito, nag-decide ako, i-adta ka sa FB. Ang permita ka na ka-chat. Permina akong ngirit, maski nagiinom ako kay ito, hanggang sinagot mo ako. Naging LDR kita. Sakay man ako. Pero bulan, dipisel, pero kinaya ta. Mas kakayon pa. Kanya. Nagabot na. Pira.
Blinded by the storm. I can see the flicker from underneath the door.
Hindi man mawara ang mga iwal, buda tampuan, pero ili nga. Nagabot kita sa 5 years, hanggang hinalata ining aldaw na ini. Finally, misis na kita.
Alam ko, malalagpas ang tagabos ng magkaiba, kita pa, ngunyan pa. You don't need to worry alone, pero may ako yaon para sa imo. Finally, God allowed us for the next chapter of our lives. Today and always, I will choose you. I love you.
Beta ka na iyatod sa Indo. Tasarong harong na sana ang uli anta. Gigibuhan ko kabus para sa imo buda sa magiging pamilyata. Sisigurado mo ugma ka at safe. Pray lang kita permi. Permi lang ako nakasuporta sa imo. I love you.